Yes. With that exercise, I think, yes, you have done. Just scroll up a little. Scroll up a little. Microsoft Office. Is this image the first one? The Microsoft Office 365 Office, or are these images? Oh,
This one?
yeah, this part, the next one, next one. I think images.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. That is also okay. Because you have done that using images. The footer part, the last one. Right. Okay, that is also an image, right? This Microsoft Store, education, business, developer, and IT, that part is also set of images, right? The last.
No, these things
No.
I use.
Not that. The last one at the bottom. Can you select that text? Developer. Right. Those are not images. Those are using tables, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Very good. Excellent. Right. So I think you have better fashion. You are enjoying it. Seems means like I can really help you improve these skills and move to the next level. Very good, because like this is what I really expect from a student. So because anyway, before learning the subject, you should learn how to enjoy the subject. So that will really help you improving. Otherwise, what will happen? You will only do what I say, and you will stick to that, and you're not exploring by yourself. Means you're not ready to learn. Okay, now this part, like Microsoft Teams and these things, you can see these are, when I move the mouse pointer, it underlines, and when I click on that, it change the URL here. When I click on this, it will change. It will display a menu. When I select menu item, it will change the URL and display the content. Likewise, and when I move to the home page back, you can see there is search option where I can type something and search. And so what are these things? We are going to learn these things. Yes, links. One thing is links. The other thing is menus. Links and menus. Here, see, these are menus. And you have buttons too. This is a button. Button, this is a link. Button is basically the difference between button and link. Button is visually, it's like a clickable surface. But the link is kind of a text. But when you move on top of that, then it will change to hand icon, which will indicate that I am directed to some other place. So where actually I'm going to direct. So please note this area. When I move to the link, so I'm highlighting in yellow color in the bottom. See what will happen in that area. Okay, I'm going to Microsoft 365. So can you see?
Yes.
In the yellow color area, it appears https://www.microsoft.com/microsoft-365. Can you see that?
Yes.
Before clicking, if it is a link, before clicking, it will appear the destination. Right? This is very kind of a useful thing, because sometimes in some website we can see the download link. When we click on the download, it will display an advertisement, or it will direct us to some other site, which is unexpected. But that is not unexpected. When you click on the download next time, see the bottom. See whether is it really going to download or is it directing us to some other place. Okay, let's say when I move on top of this, and the link says shop surface laptop 5. Link says https://www.amazon.com in the bottom. Then you know, this will send me to the amazon.com website. Before clicking, you can get an idea. And before clicking, you can get an idea about what we can do. That is the nature. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Then here, if you click on this surface, okay, wherever, click, go to any link, you can see right here. Okay, let's go to another website, maybe movie. So most of the thing here, movie, free download. These free download websites, this is appearing. So when I move there, okay. Okay, here these advertisements, buy now. It says where it goes here, visit site. So before clicking, you can see, right? Okay, let's say the newer one of the newest movie that you are going to download. Okay, maybe. So this is not available because this is, if it is available, it is illegal because it is recently, very recently released. If I can download that, that is a disaster, right? Normally they are not doing that. Okay, verify your human. Okay, they are showing this. I'm clicking on this link. Okay, it's displaying me the movie. And I can see the download link. Okay, you can see here. It's showing some other. When I click on this, okay, still directed to the same site. So before clicking, okay, now you can see it's asking me $1 likewise and asking to confirm. Likewise here, this is a different site, right? To do Tiran or something different, right? So you can see that before you click this, before you move to the particular that can be here, you can see it's a different direction URL, right? Different URL. When you click here, okay, you can see these links, but these links are not going to do this task. Why? Because when you're trying to click this here, MP4 download, let's click on that. You cannot see anything in the bottom. Means these are doubtful. These are not going to download. Oh, you continue to watch for free. Oh, something else, right? It's not going to download really. So then before they cheat us, we can identify there's something wrong. There's something wrong. Okay, let's try with a legitimate one. NIE dot some other site, NIE.lk. Okay, let's use that. Science syllabus download. Searching like this. And this time I'm directed to that website. Sorry. Okay, this time I was searching another website. This is NIE.lk. And I just want to download syllabuses. When I click on the syllabus, it will ask me select the grade. Let me select grade 8 and find syllabus. It shows me the syllabuses in grade 8. Okay, I'm going to get dance in syllabus. Right. You can see, oh, before this, when you click, before clicking on the download, see the bottom, it says, what is the file that we are going to download? Can you read it and understand what is the file that you are going to download? Yes?
PDF file.
Yeah, that is a PDF file. What is the name of PDF file?
E8 SY. That part?
Yes, E8SYL24.pdf, correct. Right. Before clicking the link, we know that this is the file it's going to download. Okay, before clicking that, we know just give me a second. Okay, can you hear me now? Chitmini, hello.
I can hear you now.
Okay, because I have changed the connection. The other one is having a problem, seems. I just taken the data connection. Okay. Okay. Then another thing. Okay. This is in Google. If I want to download a presentation in Google, there is an easy way of searching. Let's say I want to download a presentation about microorganisms. Microorganisms. What's the grade you are in? Is it grade 8?
Grade 7.
7. Right. Grade 7. The first lesson is about the plant diversity, right? The science
Yes.
lesson. I do both subjects, IT and science, right? Therefore, I know this in English medium. Plant diversity. Okay, let's say you want to download a presentation about that. Then you can search file type. This is a trick. So most of the university students even don't know this tip in Sri Lanka, right? So, but in other countries they know. But here, so if you search, most of the students they don't know this. So you can remember this and teach them also. This is a short way. Plant diversity, the topic, and then the file type without any spaces. You can also try PPTX. Okay, whatever you are getting here, are PowerPoint files. That is a specialty. When you go there, you can see at the end. Can you see at the end?
Yes.
It is measuring plant biodiversity dot PPTX, right? PPTX. PowerPoint new version. You can right click there and you can just save link. No need to click even. Right click, save link as. That will give you option to save this PowerPoint file. Now I'm selecting desktop, save in there, and I'm getting a PowerPoint file. Can you see? I have never visited the website even. I have not visited the website even. Without even visiting the website, I got the PowerPoint file. Okay, click this. It will open the presentation. So similarly, if you want the PDF, change PPTX to PDF. If you want Word document, change it to DOCX. If you need Excel document, change it to XLSX. If you need some other document, you can type the extension there. You know, the file has file name and extension both. HTML file extension is HTML or HTML. PowerPoint file PPTX or PPT. Now, can you see? And why measure plant diversity, how to measure plant diversity, what aspects, choose in a plot, and then plot designing, and this is how to practically measure the plant diversity. These things are there in other schools and all, but we are having the theory part only. In Sri Lankan syllabus we have the theory part, but the field work and all these things still sometimes it's there, but rarely. But here the other schools basically they are thinking more about the field work and the practical exposure to the children. And in science book there are a lot of practicals, but the thing is our children used to study that. They are not exploring that. That is a disaster, right? Like you are learning this HTML, if you can learn the other subjects practically, it will be really useful. Otherwise, even after 13 years of schooling, it will not be useful, because you have not done nothing other than reading and listening and memorizing, right? Therefore, you have to go beyond that. Okay, let's move to the new topic today. Now, we have done up to here. No? Now, we haven't done.
Sir,
Yes?
I want this. Can I share the screen?
Yeah, sure.
This part. This image. How I'm going to reduce it and make it as the original.
Reduce and make it as the original.
Okay.
Can you show me the original one that you are referring?
Like this?
Right. Okay. Can do. So you have to go to your code in.
Yeah.
There after this IMG SRC, add another attribute, that is width attribute. You can add width equal and you can measure.
I used it as the background.
You have added. Go show me. With 3000 is too much. Maybe you can put with 1000. With 1000. You now see. Now save and see. Okay, right? You can maybe reduce a little. Okay.
It is going out of the box.
Out of the box.
Yeah.
Have you downloaded the same image?
I use the copy link.
Which one?
I can't.
Go to the official page again.
I can't take this. Like this?
Right click the image. Copy image URL address. Yeah, address. Go back to your code in, paste it. Erase the whole thing and paste it.
It didn't change. I didn't use the IMG tag. I used the background.
That is the reason. That is the reason, right? You have to use IMG, SRC, and then right. This is inside the TD. No, inside TD you can write IMG, SRC. But if you're using as the background, then it is set into the tables background. That is the reason, right?
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you how to do this like with another style in language, because this is not very good way. It's not very good way to add an image background, because it will get automatically resized. It will automatically okay.
This go.
Okay. This is when you add the image, right?
Yes.
That is okay, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that is okay, I guess. Okay, let's move to the next part. This is actually about the list. We are going to learn about that today. Okay, there are three kind of lists. There are three kind of lists. So these lists are called ordered list, unordered list, and definition lists. Ordered lists, unordered lists, and definition lists. Those are the three kind of lists available. Right, let's study about them now. This list can be later converted to menus. That is the thing, right? Okay, let me. Just wait. Wait, it still loads. Don't know why. Okay, let's create it until it loads. Like then that's easy. Otherwise, it will take more time. Okay, take a new HTML file. You can start doing this with me. HTML, then HTML, and then the head section, and the head section. Title section, and hello lists. So under that, I'm going to include a body section. There are three kind of lists. Okay, I'll give the note. Right. I'll give the note until then. Slowly, right? Okay, inside the body, you can write the first list that you are going to list load is ordered list that has numbers ordered list, and there you can include the list items. Let's say car, the list item car is closed, and another list item van that is closed, and another list item is bus. Okay, this is default way, and similarly you can include the second type of list that is unordered list, that is with UL. There are modifications. I will do that in the next stage, right? First stage, please save this with the ordered list, unordered list, and the third type is definition list. So let me give the names also. H2 ordered list of H2. And similarly, you have unordered list, that is UL for unordered list. And the final one is definition list. But definition list is different from the both above. This is DL. In DL, you have definition term, DT, definition term, maybe you can say HTML, not TD, it is DT And after that, the description of the same definition. That is hypertext markup language. That is the definition description. Similarly, you can add few more definitions. That is why I said it's different from the previous two lists. Okay, let's add few more. Another term, another description, maybe HTTP, and that is hypertext transfer protocol. Another one, FTP, is file transfer protocol. And another one, maybe DNS, it is domain name system. Okay. Likewise, you can keep adding the definitions and the description. Let me save that and see the result first. Then you can replicate the same in your computer. Hello lists.html, save it, go to the desktop and open the hello list.html. Hello lists.html, this one. Okay, when you open, you can see this ordered, unordered, and definition list. And here is this. You can code it and then save it and see whether you are getting the same preview.
Okay.
Right. Okay, good. So hope you understood the concept, but now let's do the modifications to these lists. The first list can be modified. The first list can be modified as following. Right? Let's add the modifications. Please save this in a separate one, right? Because otherwise, after some time, if you're looking at this one in the modified one, then you will not see any difference. Therefore, the modified one, please save as with a different name. I'm going to change the starting place. Start with 3. What happened? So when I start with 3, you can see it is starting with number 3. And you can give the type as well. There are 5 types. Can you see? 1, A, I, A, I. 1 is 1, 2, 3 type list. A is ABCD type list. I is Roman number type of list, right? Capital I here, Roman number. But it will start from 3, 4, 5. Why? We have said start with 3. Right? This is Roman number. Simple I is simple Roman number. Oh, not that. Simple I is simple Roman number. Let's say start with 1 and simple I, and it will start with simple Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. Even start is not given, it will start with 1, right? If it is not given, it will start with 1. These are the modifications that you can do. And what are the types? Right? Types supported. I'll write as a comment. These comments are ignored by this. Just to explain what are the types possible. You can get 1 type, A type, I type, or I type. These are the 5 types, right? Possible types. Okay, but for the unordered list, the possible types are, the default is like when you're given nothing is given, it is disk. So DISC disk, or it can be square, or it can be circle, right? Disk, square, circle. And actually no starting point for unordered list. The reason is unordered list is unordered, bulleted. It is bulleted list. So no need of starting point. All bullets are same. But for ordered list, it's not same. Unordered list is. And the definition list, nothing. We don't have any modifications. So you can add the modifications. At the same time, you can write this note because it opened a little later. Yes. This has the main content.
Okay.
Wait. You can try the modifications. And so now you write the examples because you have already done that. You can write just this one. There are 3 types of lists available, and one is ordered list. It has OL and LI and attributes are this. That is enough. No need to write this summary, right? Then I will scroll down, and after that you have to write the unordered list, again the tags and attributes. That's enough. And definition list, then you don't have any, only the tags, you have to write the tags only. And no need to write the examples. Then let's go to the nested list. After you finish writing, please tell me to scroll down, right? I will scroll. Don't write these things, examples, that is not needed. We have already done that. Right. Can you try this as a homework, or you need my help? This one.
I think I can.
Right. So please take a screenshot. Otherwise, please take a screenshot, a photo of this. Right.
These bullet points, should it want to be in red?
Better, but if you cannot put in red color, that is okay. Even black color is acceptable. Later we can color it. Okay.
Okay.
Try to give red color, but if not, doesn't matter. Try to. Let's do it later, but for the moment, at least try to add the symbols like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then try this as a homework, right? I'll stop from here. Next day, I will teach you how can we convert this to a menu. By actually, we have not yet learned the styling languages. I will tell you the style language, and I will tell you how to convert that to menu, and then you can implement that in your Microsoft website. And also the same time, maybe after the next week after the next week, we can try to host that means store that in the internet environment. So you can, then I can look at that time to time, and you can also edit that, and you can share with your friends too, right? You can share with your friends too by that, right? So okay, then I'll stop from here, and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Have a nice day, sir.